In this demo, we'll take Supabase, the popular open-source backend-as-a-service platform built on Postgres, Auth, storage, and real-time APIs, and use its Helm chart to create its on-prem distribution channel. We've already downloaded the Supabase Helm charts and converted them into an Omnistrate product specification which defines the components, configurations, and dependencies. Now we'll use this specification with Omnistrate CLI to build the Supabase on-prem distribution. Omnistrate analyzes the specification and produces a fully defined Supabase on-prem offering. As shown here, the offering is generated and ready for use. Next, we'll create the installer. As a service provider, you can create the installer on your customer's behalf, or customers can also generate it themselves from their self-serve portal. In this demo, I am showing the service provider flow. Navigate to Deployment Instances to create a new installer. Clicking Create Instance opens the instance creation form. Omnistrate dynamically generates a parameter form based on the specification, prompting for various fields for user input. Once submitted, Omnistrate begins building the on-prem installer package. Let's download the installer package, which contains everything needed to deploy this Supabase instance in the on-prem environment. I'll create a clean directory, move the installer package, and extract it. Inside, we see the install script, the main executable for installation. Executing the script begins the full installation flow. It validates prerequisites, applies Kubernetes manifests, uses container images, sets up ingress, and orchestrates all Supabase components using the topology defined in the product spec. This automates a process that is typically slow, manual, and error-prone. During provisioning, the installer also runs a set of action hooks such as pre-install checks and post-install verification, defined directly in the Omnistrate product specification. Let's verify the deployment. All Supabase services, including storage, Auth, Studio, real-time APIs, and others, are seen and transitioning to the running state. The Omnistrate installer has orchestrated the complete Supabase Kubernetes stack end-to-end. Next, we open the Supabase dashboard URL and log in using the credentials provided during installer creation. The instance is fully operational and configured exactly as defined in the product specification. This entire workflow, from generating the product to building the installer to deploying a fully functional on-prem Supabase instance, was completed in minutes. Omnistrate automates the entire end-to-end lifecycle so platform teams can deliver secure, repeatable, production-grade installations with minimal overhead. Visit omnistrate.cloud or simply request a demo. We'd love to show you what's possible.